Hi everyone, it's Tara from Dr. Chung's office. I hope everyone is staying safe out there and positive during this crazy time period. So we're all going to be doing short videos from our homes, and for me today I'm going to talk about my favorite monthly treatment. Not only is it one of my favorite monthly treatments to do to my clients, it's also my personal favorite treatment to receive, and it's dermaplaning. So dermaplaning has so many benefits. The first being it removes the top layer of your epidermis, which is just all dead skin cells. So, you know, in order for products to do what they need to do, it's important just to kind of have like a clean slate. The second benefit is it removes all of the vellus hair. So I get a lot of questions, you know, oh, is my hair gonna grow back thicker? Is it gonna be darker? You know, and no, that's just not the case. We're not messing with the hair follicle. So when the hair does grow back, it's gonna feel a little blunt because you're so used to having it feel like a baby's bottom that, you know, you're just gonna feel the hair more, but it's not going to change how much you have or anything like that. That's a big misconception about dermaplaning. The benefits are just amazing. I mean, your makeup will go on like an airbrush finish. You'll use less of your makeup because your skin is just going to look so much brighter. It's a no-brainer treatment for me, especially after a laser or a chemical peel. I love to do this on my clients just to kind of, you know, get off any residual dead skin or, you know, just anything that the laser may have left behind. But for me, I just think that it's a go-to for monthly treatments. It's so important. I mean, obviously your lasers are important. You know, even injections, if you go that route, are great too, but you can't forget the monthly maintenance because you just want your skin looking its best that it can, and also it's important for your cellular turnover. So again, I love dermaplaning and I can't wait to see all my clients. I miss you guys. I'm sure your skin